for the assignment 3.1. So the first is about the time. So at the requirement, first we created a new script called the current time, and added the doc string to the script to explain it is to print the current time, and then import the datetime module like here, and then I created a function get current time, and what's inside the function is the current time equal to date time importing here now. So if we print the current time, it should be printed the current time. So like as defined, as required here to print the result, but only if the script is to be executed. So I use the if name equal to min and get the current time, which is the function I defined here. So it's printing the current time. And the second is the format customer name. So the first is to create a function, the format customer inside the file. So So here is a function I created inside this document. So which is the print if this customer inside the database, and it's recorded that first name, last name, and location. So by default the location is none. So if the location is not none, so we just added the location into this blank. But if the location is none, like which the default value here, so we just print the first and last name. So after we define the function, we first we import the function from the file, and if like the example showing here, if this John Smith and with location California, so the result is printing like John Smith California in the blank. And if the John Smith without the location here, so it just prints this customer name John Smith. So the last one is about to create a Fibonacci function, which is one of the a very famous function here. So the first one is to create the Fibonacci function, use the iterative. So here is the function I create. So first define the a and b as the initial value 0 and 1, and then every time in the range 0 and n is like the numbers of value in the Fibonacci series. So every time equal to b and b equal to a plus b, and then we return the value a. So by doing this, we create the Fibonacci function using the iterative method. So if we import this function and then we print it as example, so when the value is 3, the result printed as 2, and using the tens value of the Fibonacci function is 55. And then we're using another method creating the Fibonacci function, which is the recursion. So with the recursion function, so we use Fibonacci recursion 1 n minus 1s plus Fibonacci function n minus 2, but when n like smaller or equal than 1, just return n. So I also created the function inside the this folder. So if we from the text imported this function and we print 3, we get the value 2, and if we print 10, we get the tens value of the Fibonacci series. It is 55.